Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Valorant. You got the error of Vanguard has blocked the following file from loading onto your system. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and proceed with the resolution. We will start with the basic troubleshooting steps to fix the corrupted system files of your PC. Click on the start menu and type cmd. Run cmd as an administrator. Type here a command dism /online /cleanup-image and /restore health and hit the enter key. Now wait for a while until the command's completed. Once this command is completed, go ahead, close the command prompt and restart your PC and try to play the game again. If you are still getting the issue of Vanguard has blocked the following file, let's proceed with the next step. In second step, I completely suggest you to update your BIOS from the manufacturer website of your motherboard. Many users have claimed that simply updating the BIOS has fixed out the issue of this blocking file in your Valorant. Now if updating BIOS doesn't work out, let's proceed with the third step. If you have installed any fan monitoring program or temperature monitoring program such as CPU-Z, HW Monitor, IQ or even EasyUS, I completely suggest you to go ahead and uninstall these programs until you get a new update in your Valorant to fix out the issue of Vanguard has blocked the following files from loading into your system. Now even after uninstalling these programs doesn't fix out, I'll take an example to fix out the issue for you. Suppose this is my file which is creating me the error. The name is evolute ss3vad.sys. So I'll go ahead and open web browser and type the name of the file as it is over here, evolute, and next to it simply type related to and hit the enter key. Now if I Google, I'll click on a website related to this particular file. This seems to be the website which is more relevant. I'll go ahead and click on it. After clicking, I got to know under the description that this file is related to Sonic Suit VAD. So I completely suggest you to go ahead and uninstall this particular program in your system to fix out the issue of Valorant has blocked the following files from loading onto your system. Now if this method also failed to work out, in next step, open up your web browser and download a file with the name autoruns directly from the official website of the Microsoft. Save it onto your system. Once the file is saved, open the zip file and unzip autoruns file. Now right click on autorun and choose the option run as administrator. Now in the interface, you need to click on the option drivers over here. Now whichever driver is problematic at your end, it will be highlighted in the yellow color as it is showing right over here. So you need to do is to untick the option, close it and try to play the game again. However, if Vanguard has still blocked the file, what you need to do is to again open this autorun, right click on that problematic file and choose the option delete. Once you delete the file, restart your PC and this will completely fix out the issue of Vanguard has blocked the following files from loading onto your system. Now if all this method fails, let's proceed with the next step. Again open up your browser and I suggest you to download a program with the name revo uninstaller. You need to download its free version by clicking on this portable version option available over here. Save the program onto your desktop. And once the program is saved, go ahead, open the zip file and unzip the folder inside it. Now open the folder and run revo file. Accept the terms and conditions. From here, you need to uninstall Valorant as well as Valorant Vanguard. So scroll down and there you go, Valorant Vanguard, and here is Valorant. First of all, click on Valorant Vanguard and click on the option uninstall. Now click on the continue option. Now once the program is uninstalled, this scan option will be highlighted. Click on the option scan. This will scan all the remaining local files and registry entries of the Valorant Vanguard. These are the registries that have installed into your system. Click on the option select all and choose delete. This way you have completely removed the Valorant Vanguard from your system. Do the same with Valorant also. Select it and click on the option uninstall. After completely uninstalling, go ahead and reinstall the program from the official website of the Valorant, and this will completely fix out the issue of Vanguard has blocked the following file from loading onto your system. So this is all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching.